Alrighty then. Hey guys, Joe, Amy, whoever else might be listening. Craig here. Just wanted to run a quick video real quick. I'm going to open a browser. This is going to show you how to, again, I'm going to use Firefox, but you can use Internet Explorer as well. I'm just going to show you really quickly how to navigate and view some of the things on BlueHost.com. So to get there, just www.bluehost.com. Frozen here, and just log in top right here. I happen to have it saved password, but the login is above these videos on this admin page. You will find it there, and just click the control panel login and it directs you to the control panel, oddly enough. So here we are. There are all these expand, all these blue lines here. You see different categories. I have most of them shut down or at least closed. Just some high level stuff real quick. Over on the left here under the stats, you see just some real high level quick statistics for our website. Disk space usage, which we're not even close to our max. Obviously, not even showing up on the graph here. Bandwidth usage for the month, email accounts, so domains, blah blah blah, and whatnot. So you can see that our account as of this date today, which is whenever the January 2nd. Account expires 125 days, so we'll have to renew that when that comes around. That way we don't lose our website. And so basically what you see up here, here's where you would renew it. Here's a renew your account button. It just walk you through it, things like that. Some of the key things I think you guys would want to see when you get here is the mail section. If you click email accounts here, you can see all of the email accounts that exist. And I'm just going to do that. You can create them from here as well if you wanted to create a new one. Joe Blow, whatever, password again, create. You can give them a maximum quota for the size of their mailbox if you would like. Looks like Skip and as well as myself have just created them at the default 250, no big deal. You can see right here all the email accounts that we have. Media, don't worry about that one. Media is the one we use for the YouTube account. That's what it's set up for. So all communications to and from YouTube are done with this email address. You can view mail just by clicking on this little world looking icon here with the arrow and the email. Just click on that and it'll take you to a login screen so you can view it. We do have some email forwarders in place for the majority of these email addresses, and you can see that just by clicking the home button up here is how you go back to that main control panel screen. And if you click on forwarders over here under the mail section, you can see what all's being forwarded. Right now I've got the media account forwarded just to my email address. Since I'm kind of managing that, I'm perfectly happy and willing to continue managing that. And unless you don't want me to, or you want to take it over for some reason, just let me know. We can change that. Also, the info, looks like there was a lot of email going to that. We added that forwarder to Joe and Amy Hall at sbcglobal.net. Looks like there's a ton of information going there, so if you feel like you're getting spammed too much or whatever, just let me know. I'd be happy to monitor that. All of the all of the contact page submissions from our website here are also going to that email address. So when people type in their info and click submit, it emails I believe info, which goes directly to you guys. So you can see which ones are being forwarded. You can add new ones from here just by clicking add forwarder. You can delete them or trace them, see what's getting forwarded to them, how much traffic is, things like that. Let's go back to the home. That's pretty much all you really want to see, probably all you really want to know about the mail. If for some reason you ever have more questions about it or want to see anything else, just let me know. We can cover any more of that, but I'm going to call that good. A couple of other things, just real quickly, databases. Our website will support databases. I have created one just for kicks, and we can use it. It is secure. It would require some changes for the website back-end programming. Instead of, say, emailing those accounts, or emailing that contact page to directly to your email address, we could store it in the database and like run reports off of it or something. Or I could create a dynamic page that you could log into this web page or something and view things like that. We can also store. A lot of people do email, oh, newsletter things like that. If someone wants to sign up for a newsletter, you store their email address in a database, things like that. We can explore that if you would like. Just let me know. A couple other things real quickly. I did turn some statistics. Wow, that was tough for me. I did turn logging on. A couple AW stats and Webalizer for our website so that we can see some kind of more drill down statistics. I've just real briefly been looking at AW stats every so often, nothing huge. And once you click on that, just click on View over here, a little magnifying glass, and it brings up the AW stats interface, which is basically, there's just links over here. This is just one giant page. So you can see when you scroll down, everything you link to over here just links to something on this page, I believe. So looks like just some high level things real quick. You can see which pages are getting hit the most, or which files are being used the most. Let's see, some dynamic statistics. You can see our unique visitors. That's, I think, for this month. The amount of pages, the number of hits, the bandwidth used. This is for the month of January. We can change the reported month right here. So if we want to look at, say, December of 08, we would probably see a lot more traffic because it's a full month. So yeah, 48 unique visitors, 68 hits. So some people were visiting multiple times, which is a good thing. You see the pages, blah blah blah. I think over here, let's see what we can see here. Let's go to just some different things we could see, like operating systems. If we want to know the top kind of operating system people are using when they're visiting, it looks like the majority is Windows. There are some Macs hitting, and surprisingly some Linux boxes. I bet those are web bots. Web bots come from, just FYI, from search engines like right here. These are probably all web bot crawlers. So Google, Yahoo, and all those guys will crawl our website automatically. So when you go to Google and you search for, say, OKC Compassion, we would come up number one on the list. So let's OKC Compassion. We should be number one, and there we are, OKCCompassion.net. So whoop-de-doo, works well. So that works. Anyways, that's what that's for. So just see some interesting things. You can see the different browsers people are using. So we could program the website specifically for different browsers to give different people different experiences, things like that. So this is probably way too detailed, too much information that you guys ever look at. But in case it ever matters, if maybe investors want to know some statistics, whew, sheesh, or some people looking to donate just kind of want to see, how many hits do you guys have, how many unique things like that, how many paid visits, things like that. Just so you know, we can pull reports like this, and I'd be happy to do that for you if you get requests like that. So that's AW Stats. And the Webalizer is pretty similar, so I'm not going to go into that. Only other thing you'd ever want to see, I would ask that unless it's Skip or someone's managing this site, this file manager under the files here. This is where our website, this is where all of the files for our website are contained. So if someone were to accidentally delete something out here, that would be bad. Although I keep it all backed up on my local, so we would be able to recover no problem. But anyways, you can see the different files that it takes to make up a website here. Different images. This is how I build a website. We store images separately and things like that in separate folders and whatnot. But that's the file browser or file manager. You can see we can upload. This is how we upload the sites to and from. So this is BlueHost. Again, if you guys have any questions, this is kind of where we do all the web management. There's some other things under here, security and subdomains and things that I have set up. I have set up a few subdomains. Let me show you that real quick. Under domains, subdomains. Just as an example, examples.okccompassion.net and support. I have plans for admins actually up and running. That's how you got probably this where this video is posted. You can see that page. Examples I was thinking we could use as kind of a staging, so you could see maybe if I had questions, hey, look at this page, tell me what you think. Might be able to put it here. Support, I thought about setting up some sort of support site. This exists. There's nothing there, so nothing would happen right at this moment. So no worries if nothing's there. But so I guess that's it. If you guys again have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate to ask. And that's it. Thank you.